OptiPlan is used to build retirement plans for the clients you advise. Typically, you will only need to create one plan for each client, consisting of one or more scenarios that explore options for the plan. When you're ready to start building the plan for a client, go to the OptiPlan homepage and click on the Create a New Plan button. You'll be prompted to enter a few basic options to get started. Begin by entering a name for the plan. We suggest that you establish a convention for the plan names to help you locate the plans on your plan list in the months and years ahead. This name can be as simple as a combination of last and first names, such as Smith, John and Mary. Next, in the company name field, select the FMO or RIA that you'll be working through for any new accounts that you'll be creating or managing. The pick list will contain all the companies that OptiPlan is partnering with, as well as your own company name. This entry will be used to define the specific disclosure or disclaimer statements that need to be delivered with the plan. If you're working independently, or if your partnering company is not on the list, select your own company from the list. Next, provide some basic details for the client. Enter the client's first name, last name, and date of birth. The date of birth is needed for the R&D calculations. If the client has a spouse or partner, click the Add Another Client checkbox and fill in the details for the second client. When these options have been entered, click the Create Plan button and your plan will be created, along with the first scenario for the plan. This first scenario created for each new plan is a copy of the scenario template that you configure. Watch the lesson on scenario templates for information on defining your default scenarios. Each plan that you create will be listed on your My Plans list. This list shows the plan name and the client names, as well as the date the plan was created. By default, the plans are listed in the reverse order of which they were created. You can change the sorting order by clicking on any of the column headings, which will cause the list to sort on that column. Click the heading again to reverse the sorting order. The arrow next to the column name shows which column the list is sorted by and the current sort order. By default, the list displays 5 plans per page. Use the page controls in the lower right corner to move ahead or back one page at a time, or to move to the first or last page on your list. If you have a larger screen, you can change the number of plans per page to either 10 or 20. The easiest way to find the plan you're looking for is to use the search feature. As you type into this field, the list will filter down to just the rows that contain the letter sequence you enter. The search looks for matches in all the columns, so you can easily search for the plan name, the client name, or the date the plan was created.